Welcome to the EdbMails Exchange to Office 365 Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails offers a streamlined solution for migrating mailboxes from Exchange to Office 365, ensuring a secure and efficient migration. EdbMails simplifies the migration process by enabling users to transfer emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, and notes directly to Microsoft 365. EdbMails supports incremental migration, which means that after the initial transfer, only new or modified items will be migrated during subsequent operations, preventing duplication and enhancing efficiency. EdbMails stands out as a robust tool for Exchange to Office 365 migration, catering to both small businesses and large enterprises. The following methods help you perform Exchange to Office 365 mailbox migration with EdbMails Migration Tool. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select the Live Exchange Migration option from the drop-down list. Click Let's Go. Select the Source Connection option. Click Next. Connect to Source Exchange Server. Select Exchange Server version. Click Login. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Continue. Select the mailboxes you want to migrate from the Source Exchange server. Now, click the Migrate to Office 365 button to connect with your target Office 365 server. Connect to Office 365 target server. Select the required migration operation. Click Continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-in page. Click Sign In. Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. You can apply filters for folders and items. For example, migrate only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read-unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders. Click Save. Click Continue. Give a name for migration job. Click Continue to initiate the migration process. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Log button to get migration reports. That's it. For a hassle-free Exchange to Office 365 migration, visit edbmails.com today.